You know, back in the olden days, this road was 55 miles an hour. And by olden days, I mean like less than 10 years ago. And 55 miles an hour is plenty fast on this road. I'm pretty sure a good rider cannot hold 55 miles an hour all the way through this road. Same with Deals Gap. Deals Gap used to be 55 mile an hour. Now those retards can't do it at 30. It is very buggy out today. I hope you are not watching this video with a bug right in the middle of the lens. Because I just pulled off and bought a cheer wine and cleaned off my helmet, cleaned off the camera lens. And my face shield is full already. It's only been about 10 miles. Yesterday's ride was full of North Carolina Highway Patrol. I hope they're at church today. There's some European sports car club up here this weekend. So the mountains are full of Audis, Volkswagens, and Porsches. I had a red Porsche do a pretty good job of following me on the Cherhala Skyway. I would have loved to have a rear-facing camera. He was getting it pretty good. He was WFO out of every turn. I was on a monster and he was working to keep up with me, which is funny, I guess. Cool. something like that. Some adjective that describes fun. There's two right now. Yesterday they were in groups of 20. I'm sure we will see that today as we get closer to Deals Gap, Tail of the Dragon. However you know that little tiny section of US 129. I've got 3/4 of a tank and I've been on the road for about 2 hours now. I don't know which direction this bike's going to take me today. I don't remember the last time I rode this VFR. I will tell you though, in 24 years of ownership, every time I've gotten on this bike and turned the key, it has started for me. Every time. Every time. Today it's going to hit 56,000 miles. And I've never even had a breakdown on this bike. It's never left me stranded anywhere. The only time it's been on a trailer is going on vacation to some far off riding destination. And that's been many years because now I live in my riding destination. In 2006, I think, is the last time this bike's been on a trailer. For those of you keeping track. Once I bought a house up in the mountains, this was the bike that I parked in the garage, so it was always ready. Alright, there you go. The end of 28, coming out of Franklin. Hey, please hit that like and subscribe button. I need you. I need more subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.